Hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing a game called Defusal on Roblox, and I'm joined by my good friend Kato.
Hello. Bomb.
Bomb, yep, bomb. So after this video, maybe you should check his out. I mean, they're basically the exact same, but still. This game is just like keep talking and nobody explodes. You may have heard of it.
Things
Um,
explode.
but yeah, basically, we're gonna be playing this on easy difficulty, maybe medium, because we're really bad at this, and I'm apparently the Kato is a better diffuser because
I don't know
I
how to
guess he
read.
just doesn't like reading. Okay,
No.
let's start. Let's start this.
Yay.
Okay,
Okay, there's a pink and white tiles.
tiles. Okay, so that's the tiles. Okay, that's tiles. So pink and white.
Yeah.
So that would be 11 because pink is 6 and white is 5. So that'd be 11. So did you discern it?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
there's two
okay.
codes.
2 codes. Okay, so hexadecimals.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's down. Okay, here we are. Type them in the chat.
Okay. Oh, I can't type them.
Okay, never mind. Say them out loud.
7-3.
Okay, 7-3. So that would be S.
6-5.
6-5 is E.
6-5. 7-2 is the N.
Seer.
I don't think that's a word.
Yes, it is.
Okay, another one. 7-4.
Another one. Okay, 7-4. So that would be T.
6-1.
That would be A.
6-E.
6E. That would be N.
7-3.
7-3 would be S. Hands. Did we just disarm this bomb first?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I did the wires by myself. There's a wire.
Okay, let's do this. If we disarm this bomb, like let's say we disarm easy, then we'll go to medium. Then we disarm medium, we'll go to hard. And then
let's try
hard,
meme. That one's a hard one.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's a really hard one. Let's try meme. Okay, we gotta instantly tell them what the heck they are because we have like no time at all. Okay, what is it? What is it? What is the thing?
Fudge. It's the same every time. It's the abort white button.
Oh, it's a abort white button.
Yeah.
So then, I think you just click it 3 times.
Oh no, it's a blue button now.
Is it just blue? So then, if it says blue and detonate, click it.
Yay!
Let's go! That was really difficult.
Yeah.
Gosh. Took so many attempts. Okay, anyway. Off of memeing, let's go to medium. Okay,
fail.
Hopefully this works. Maybe once I'll be the diffuser for an easy round.
Okay.
But until then, we're gonna continue. Okay, so what is the first one? What's the first one?
Well, I'm doing all the ones I can do.
Okay.
Oh no, there's another light bar one.
What do you mean, like what do you mean the light bar? Like, are they going horizontal or vertical?
The vertical ones, the one that's black and white.
Oh, the subject of binary, the binary.
Yeah.
Ones.
The stinky one.
Okay.
Both you ready to go?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Wilson ready?
Yes.
You're leaving?
Okay, so
Okay, no.
so are there any lit indicators?
Yes. There's 5, and it's the last 3.
Okay. If light 2 is it's on and light 7 is not, click the button twice.
No.
So it's the first 2 are off, right? And then
Yeah.
it's just the last 5?
Yeah.
Okay. So that would mean that it's not light 1. Nope. If light 1, 2, and 3, nope. If light 1, 2, and 3, nope. If 1 and 3 lights are off, no. Click the red button 10 times, I believe.
Yay!
Let's go. Okay. Okay, what's the next one?
There's 6-2. It's the Hipparchus code.
The hexadecimal?
Yeah. 6-2.
Okay, 6-2. B.
Yeah. 7-8.
Yep. 7-8. That would be X.
7-7. And then 6-1.
Oh, wait, never mind. This is the easy hexadecimal. I'll have to go down to the medium. Give me a second. I find the medium one.
That's why I didn't spell a word.
Yeah. Hexadecimals. That's Morse code. I don't want extreme Morse code. Oh my. Where is the medium hexadecimal? Mathematics, binary,
Celery.
keypad, hexadecimal.
Hecadecimal. Hecadeck. You're gonna fudging lose this.
Oh yes, because I can't freaking find the hexadecimal, the medium one.
Let's just do something else.
Where is the other hexadecimal?
CJAB.
Okay, how about this? Let's do a different one for now.
Okay. There's CJAB. It has enter number and then submit, and then there's 4 letters.
What the heck? Keypad?
No, not keypad.
Binary, it's not that. Mathematics? No.
It might be mathematics.
Color code? Is it literally just numbers, answer, and then submit?
There's no numbers.
Like, is there just is it just numbers that says answer and then it just says submit?
Yeah, that's one of them.
Okay, let's do that one for now. So it says the display shows 2 pairs of capital letters.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Okay, these letters each correspond to a single digit and a 2-digit number.
There's A,
Decipher both pairs. So wait, what's the first pair?
AJ.
AJ. So AJ, that would be 10.
Yeah.
Or, oh, no, wait, 19. Never mind, 19.
Yeah.
Yep, okay, now what's the next one?
CC.
CC. We got 77 and 19.
Do we add them?
So we need... No, I'm multiplying them.
Oh.
77... Don't worry, I got this. I have a calculator.
Just use the side one.
1,463. $1,463.
Okay, there's one
Let's
more.
go. Okay. So there's one more mathematical one?
Yeah. CJ.
Okay. CJ, that would be 79.
AB.
79 multiplied by AB.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, so is it AB or is it AD?
AB.
AB, okay, 13. 1,027. Okay, I guess I can't say that. 1,027.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay, then there's the hecadecimal.
The hecadecimal. Let's try this. Okay. Let's try the. I mean, maybe it's just. I don't know. Okay, let's try it again. So, what is it?
6-2.
6-2, that's B.
Yeah.
Yeah.
78.
78 X.
You're not gonna be able to eat dinner.
77.
Okay.
Why you have so much?
Okay.
What's 77?
You need to think
Okay,
less,
61.
because you'll
What's
find
61?
that if you make less and you eat it
It's that.
Oh, I'm actually
Okay.
small. I didn't
There's
know
one
I
more.
was
That's not a word.
extra.
Okay.
73
Okay.
and 65.
Oh, wait, the mathematical one? Or
No, the other one. The one we just did. The
Wow,
hexadermal.
hexadecimal? So
Hexadecimal.
okay, so it was 73 and then what? 65?
Yeah.
It's literally just okay.
Wait,
Okay,
one
I'm
more.
like, okay,
Oh,
so
come on. We had one
okay, I'm
more.
close. Oh, let's try that one again. That
No,
one
let's go to
back
easy. Easy.
Oh, okay. Oh, I already started it. Oop.
Okay.
Any hexadecimals off the bat?
Yes, there's one.
Okay.
64.
64D.
6F.
6F is O.
Then 72 is D. I mean R.
Door.
Okay.
Okay.
Now there's the
next one.
double codes. DA.
Only the double codes. What do you mean the double codes?
The DA and AJ. Those ones.
Those ones. Hold on, let me find them. Not binary, not mathematics. Oh, is it mathematics?
Yeah, it's mathematics.
Okay, so say it again.
DA.
DA, that's 21.
Yeah. And then AJ.
AJ, 19. 399. Okay. Let's K. next one.
H. AH.
HAH?
AH. That was the first one.
Oh, 8. Okay, so 10 multiplied by what?
JI.
98. So that's 980.
Okay, then there's
Is there any other
G.
mathematic?
There's G and J.
GJ, so that is 69. Nice number.
Nice.
Next one?
Okay, B and F.
That is 2,415.
Okay.
Okay.
Now there's wires.
Wires. Okay. Let me break my middle finger trying to scroll all the way up. Okay, wires. How many wires are there?
There's 4. 1 red, 1 green, 1 blue, and 1 white.
Green, red, blue, white.
Yes. Which one?
Green.
Like-
Cut the last wire, I think. Because there's a green.
Okay.
There we go.
There's the 4 bar ones. I don't know what to do. There's a green, yellow, green, blue, green.
Wait. is
Hurry,
it the
we only have a
keypad?
minute and
So
30. No, it's not. Yeah, I think it's a keypad.
It has every different button a different like bar on top of it.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the first one? What's the first
Green.
Oh, the first one?
Green.
Green. So all more buttons must be pushed in the right order. Button 1. If the button's label's under 10, X is 15.
What?
Otherwise, if the label's between 10 and 20, X is 20. Otherwise, the label's between... Okay, so basically it's under... So X is 15. So that button is 15. So press that button... No, no. Don't do it yet. So it's 15. What's the second one?
What do you mean 15? Oh.
Okay, back to you. Woo. I don't really understand that one. Yeah, I didn't really understand that one, to be honest.
Oh, well. Oh, no.
Okay, what's the first one?
There's... Okay, hold on. Let me do some by myself.
Cube.
Oh, come on. Everything has a this side. Okay, there's 3 colored keypads.
3 colored keypads. What the heck?
There's
Is
a
it the keypad one with like the 4 buttons and the things?
with the 6 buttons. And then they're all different colors.
6 buttons are all different colors. I think I know which one you're talking. I'll only find it. No, it's not that one. Okay, this one. This is the
We only have 5 minutes left.
the subject of multi buttons.
Oh no.
Okay, so it says click every button twice in the wrong order. Asking the correct order to disarm the module.
8-2.
Just kidding. It says, so it says column 1. If the firmware is under 6, click red.
How? I didn't
Okay.
even click anything.
It just exploded.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh well.
back easy. Oh well, definitely does not seem like you just committed explode bomb.
No, it actually just did that. I didn't press anything.
Okay, I'll have to see your video. Okay, on the subject of multi buttons. Nope. Okay, what's the first one?
It's a detonate white button.
Detonate white button. Let me go to buttons. If the button says detonate, no, if it's blue and detonate, click the button. Okay, if it's okay, that works.
It's a white detonate.
White to detonate. It would be clicking the button 4 times and then pressing the up arrow.
Okay, there are wires and a red light. 5 wires.
5 wires with a red light. If the
I meant orange, yellow.
yellow light. Okay. If, otherwise, if the light is yellow, cut the 4th wire.
Okay.
Let's go.
Then there's code. 74?
Hexadecimal. 74. Okay,
No,
that's
74. 74.
T. Yeah, that's T.
Okay, 68.
H.
6F.
Okay, that's O.
And then 7-2.
4.
I mean, like the Marvel.
It's like Marvel. Oh, okay. Well, we're actually gods at the easy, but we can't do medium.
Want to do one more? One more easy?
Yeah.
Okay. You
Let's
be the
do
guy.
it.
You be the guy who does it this time.
Oh, I just started it.
This is cube.
No, this is insane.
Okay.
Okay. What is it?
Well, let me do the ones I can.
Okay, don't worry, you've already disarmed 2, it's okay.
Okay, there's 4 wires.
4 wires, okay.
Primary
If there
colors
are
and
no
green.
Okay. Primary colors and green. If there are no white wires, cut the 3rd one.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
6-3. It's the hexadental.
Oh, hexadecimal, okay. 6, 3, so that's C.
Okay, 6F.
6F is O.
6B.
6B, that would be K.
Okay, 6-5.
6, 5. Coke.
Oh, I see where we go wrong. If we don't do this specific one, they just blows up.
What specific one?
Like that.
Oh.
Those ones.
Oh, okay.
We have
What's the
15
next
seconds on this one. It's the red
15?
looking ones.
The red look. That doesn't help me at all.
Well, it's the one with the numbers, then number, and then green pad, and then a timer that's gonna go off in 1 second. Well, that's it for today's video.
No, hold on, no.
Oh.
Let's do one more. This time
Okie
I'm the diffuser.
dokie. Shoot.
This time I'm the diffuser.
Okay.
I got this. No, it's
Instructions.
Easy, I'm the diffuser. Okay. Are they actually loaded this time?
Nope.
Okay, we have hexadecimal. Are you ready?
Oh, yes, they're loading. Hold on, let me go to hexadecimal.
Okay,
Okay,
the
I have it,
third
I
one.
have it, I have it.
Okay, so it's 61,
A.
61, 62, 63, and 64.
It's A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D?
Yeah.
Easy, okay. Nice, next one.
Which is the next one?
There's a red button that says detonate.
Okay. Press it twice and then press
It's
the
the
down
first one,
arrow.
the first one that... Okay, got it.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, on the back side we have five wires with okay, never mind. We have another okay, got this.
Yay! One more?
Okay, let's try that again. That one was kind of quick. We got this next one. Okay. Trust in user. Okay, we have another hexadecimal.
Okay, I'm gonna get to it.
Okay, so it's 63.
That's C.
Okay, 6375.
U.
62. And 65.
B.
Got it. I knew it was. It was cube. Okay. Then we have like the button.
Oh.
Okay. So scroll down so you see like the one with, like the two buttons, and it has like the little answer and
Oh, the tile one.
Yeah, the tile one.
Okay, I have it.
Okay, so the tiles are yellow and blue. Just add them together.
9. No. It's 9.
Okay.
Next one.
Okay, next one. Okay, we have wires. 3 wires.
Okay. Hold on.
White, red, and orange.
Cut the second one.
Nice. Okay, now we have another hexadecimal. We have 7, 4.
Hold on. Hold on. T.
P.
T.
Oh, T. Okay, so then we have 6, 8.
H.
Then we have 6, 9.
I.
Nice.
Nice.
And then we have 6E.
N. It's then.
Thin.
Yay!
Wow, okay, guys, that's it for today's video. If you want us to play this again, or if you want us to play another Roblox game,
Comment down
just type it
below.
Yeah, comment in either of our comment sections. It would be greatly appreciated if you would subscribe to both of our channels and like the videos and share it to your friends if possible.
And
I'll
go
see you
eat
next
cheese.
time. Yeah, make sure you go get some water and get some cheese, and then sit down and watch Netflix.
Yeah. Or if you have
Okay.
Netflix.
Yeah, okay. Have a great day, everyone, and
Or night.
and yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, have a great day or night.